our 72-inch ice cream display freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 72 inches, a depth total of 27 inches, and the overall height with glass cover, 52 inches tall. Minus the glass cover, we have 34 inches tall. Coming to the front of the display will be the glass display cover, and the bottom of the chest freezer, we have our light switch along with the on and off indicator, and coming to the left column will be the dial to adjust your temperature. Coming to the back of the freezer, on the top of the glass cover will be the free-floating center shelf. The measurement for the center shelf will include 68 inches in length by 8 inches in depth. Inventory can be stored on the center shelf along on the top of the glass cover. Coming to the chest freezer will be the dual slide glass doors left and right. 20¼ inches in length, 8½ inches in depth by 12 inches in height. And included will be 7 baskets. Each basket can be removed and inserted onto the track top of the chest freezer. Interior dimensions for the chest freezer will include 22 inches in height, 66 inches in length, by 22 inches in depth. Please note on the left side there will be a step, and the measurements of the step will include 9 inches in length, also by 22 inches in depth, by 10 inches in height. Overall length with the step will include 57 inches in length. Coming to the front interior of the chest freezer will be a LED strip. So with the light feature turned on, the LED light will display your products and ice cream that you have advertised. Coming to the back will be the e-tail certification, specifications, and on the bottom we have our 110/120 voltage along with the cap and plug for the drain that's located on the inside of the chest freezer. Or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.